We've been lied to for decades, told that if we want to lose weight in midlife, we need to spend hours on the treadmill, sweating it out in exhausting cardio classes. But so many women tell me they're running miles every day and the scale absolutely will not budge. If that's you, I hear you, and I need you to know it's not your fault. The truth is, excessive cardio is actually raising your stress hormones and making your body fiercely hold on to weight for pure survival. In this video, I'm going to show you why you need to throw away your running shoes. Okay, you don't have to throw them away, but at least put them in the closet because I'm going to reveal the one exercise you should be doing instead to finally burn stubborn fat. And if you're new here, I'm Dr. Gayla Gorman, a licensed acupuncturist, naturopath, and author of What's Your Kryptonite? On this channel, I'm here to help you reverse the effects of chronic stress so that you can cruise through midlife and beyond symptom-free. So before we dive into the exact exercise that will turn your body into a fat-burning machine, I have a free resource that will help you start regulating your body right away. Just comment the word resources below and go to drgayla.com/links. I can send it right over. You can also just scan the QR code right here on the screen. Let's talk about what's actually happening inside your body when you jump on that treadmill or elliptical for an hour. When we navigate midlife, our hormones begin to shift, and our nervous systems are already carrying a very heavy load of what I refer to as toxic stress. When you add excessive, high-intensity cardio to that mix, your brain literally thinks you're running from a tiger. So it might speed up your run a bit, but it's not doing your body any favors. It sounds a massive alarm and pumps out an emergency surge of cortisol. When your cortisol is chronically high, your body halts your metabolism and holds on to visceral belly fat for protection. And elevated cortisol can linger in your body for up to 12 hours, long after the perceived emergency is over. You're working so hard, but biologically, you're programming your nervous system to stay in fight or flight and store fat. This is just one of the many ways stress can create symptoms and affect your health. I have another video on my channel that I titled The Truth About Midlife Weight Gain, where I explain how to support your body to burn fat more efficiently and what you can do to get started. And be sure to subscribe to the channel too, because I share a lot of tips for managing stress. So what's the one exercise women over 40 actually need? It's resistance training. Typically, this involves lifting weights of some sort. But the good news is the weights could just be your body weight. This is the ultimate metabolic primer for your body. Unlike excessive cardio, which breaks your body down and spikes cortisol, building muscle actually increases your resting metabolic rate. This means that when you build muscle, your body burns more fat even while you're just resting or sleeping. Muscle is also incredibly hungry for glucose, meaning it pulls excess sugar out of your bloodstream so it doesn't get stored around your waistline. And beyond just weight loss, lifting weights naturally boosts your declining hormones and builds crucial bone density to protect you as you age. You don't need to spend hours in the gym. Remember what I told you? You could just use your body weight. If you're like me, the gym is the last place I want to spend my me time. You can create good results at home with something as simple as an inexpensive TRX suspension system and a closed door to hang it over. Aiming for just 2 to 3 days a week, doing 3 sets of 8 repetitions with weight or the resistance of your body that feels heavy by that last repetition is all it takes to completely upgrade your metabolism. So I want to give you a very important caution here. When women hear they need to start lifting weights, it's so tempting to jump right into an extreme boot camp class or push yourself to the point of complete exhaustion to try and see fast results. This is going to sabotage your results. Pushing your body to extremes without building a proper foundation just creates more toxic stress, keeping your nervous system trapped in that same fight or flight state we're trying to escape. We want to use exercise to heal the root cause of metabolic slowdown, not to punish your body. Start slow, focus on your form, and remember that building muscle is a healing process, not a race. Pardon my messy office, but I just wanted to show you how I managed to accomplish this. This is my treadmill desk, which I use a lot in my office. And sometimes I even use this weighted belt. I like this better than a weighted vest because I don't like the extra weight on my shoulders. And this sits right on your hips, which actually is the way the weight should distribute on your body. I also use a vibration plate that is really great for improving lymphatic drainage and flow, and even helps to build muscle. But this is what I really love. This is my Jump Sport Rebounder, and the rebounder is fantastic to build muscle, but it's actually really gentle on your joints. And it's kind of fun to use, so I really enjoy it. I've got this new thing that I'm working with now. It's called a cross rope, and it's like a jump rope that doesn't hit the ground. It's designed to build upper body strength. If you're tired of fighting against your body and you want to dive deeper into how to protect yourself from the hidden stressors that are constantly sabotaging your health, you'll definitely want to grab a copy of my book, What's Your Kryptonite? It's your complete manual for identifying and healing these toxic triggers. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you been stuck in the exhausting cardio trap? Are you ready to trade your running shoes for some dumbbells? Put your experiences in the comments below. I read those comments to see how I can best support your healing journey. And if your best efforts to live a healthy lifestyle and do all the things you've been led to think are supposed to work aren't getting the job done, you may even be feeling like you take 2 steps forward and 3 back. I have more resources to help you navigate midlife. Just go to drgala.com/links and watch my next video where I show you how to manage the toxic stress that's sabotaging your efforts. You can eliminate the symptoms that seem to be piling up in midlife naturally, without medication, crazy diets, intense exercise, or any other unsustainable lifestyle hack.